I am from GeoGraph Maths Hub. I am going to discuss question number 19 that has been taken from exercise 5.1, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. The question is, so that the function defined by g of x is equal to x minus greatest integer function of x is discontinuous at all integral points. Here, greatest integer function of x denote the greatest integer less than or equal to x. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution equal to, given that the function g of x equal to x minus greatest integer function of x. So here I shall write, let the a small a be an integer. Then I shall find out left hand limit of g of x. So here I shall write at x equal to a, imply that left hand limit equal to left hand limit x tends a. Here x equal to a. In this sense, here I can write x tends a. Since here left is written, for left I shall write here negative. Lim x tends a of negative g of x equal to left hand limit x tends a of negative. In place of g of x, I shall write here x minus the greatest integer function of x curly bracket close. So here I can write equal to lim h tends 0. Then in place of x, I shall write a minus h. A minus h minus the greatest integer function of x, I shall write sign of greatest integer function, this one. In place of x, I shall write a minus h, greatest integer function, and then curly bracket will be closed. Implied that left hand limit equal to lim h tends 0, open here curly bracket, a minus h minus, and here you can see, since a minus h, the greatest integer function of a minus h comes out to here a minus 1. This is the formula you must remember. So here the greatest integer function of a minus h is equal to a minus 1. I shall write. So here I shall write in circle bracket a minus 1. Circle bracket close, curly bracket close. Equal to lim h tends 0, curly bracket open, a minus h minus a plus 1. So here it will become plus a minus a will be cancelled out. Here you will get implied that left hand limit equal to lim h tends 0. Here in bracket I shall write 1 minus h comes out to be, remove lim h tends 0. So here in place of h I shall put h is equal to 0. It will become 1 minus 0 comes out to be here 1. Left hand limit equal to 1 at x equal to a. You have got. Now I shall find out right hand limit at s equal to a. So here I shall write right hand limit at s equal to a. It will become at x equal to a, implied that right hand limit equal to lim x tends a of positive. Here x equal to a. In this sense, here I can write x tends a of positive since I write here right is written. Right hand limit, in sense of right hand limit, here positive sign will come. Here x equal to a, so it can be written as x tends a. G of x equal to lim x tends a of positive. In place of g of x, I shall write, open here curly bracket, x minus the greatest integer function of x will be written here, close here curly bracket, equal to lim h tends 0, open here curly bracket, in place of x I shall write a plus h minus, and here the sign of greatest integer function will be written, and in place of x I shall write a plus h. Sign of greatest integer function will be written here. After that, write here curly bracket. You know the formula very well. Since greatest integer function of a plus h comes out to be a, small a. So this thing, it will become, here write, implied that right hand limit equal to lim h tends 0, open here curly bracket, here write a plus h, here minus I shall write, in place of greatest integer function of a plus h I shall write here a, so here write only a, comes out to be implied that right hand limit equal to plus a minus a will be cancelled out, here we will get lim h tends 0 bracket में h comes out to be here, remove lim h tends 0, so put here h equal to 0, so here it will become 0. So here you can see at x equal to a, here you can see at s equal to a, left hand limit comes out to be here 1, and here at s equal to a, right hand limit comes out to be here 0. So here I shall write, since left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, at x equal to 0, left hand limit comes out to be here 1, and at x equal to 0, right hand limit comes out to be here 0. So left hand limit 1 is not equal to right hand limit 0. The left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Therefore, g of x is discontinuous at x equal to a. So g of x is not continuous at all integral points. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 19, exercise 5.1, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. Thanks.